Has the mystery of what lies on the dark side of the moon ever intrigued you? Well, it's time to pull back the curtain and shed some light on this enigma of lunar exploration. The term dark side of the moon has been a source of fascination and misinterpretation for many years. It paints an image of a perpetually shadowed landscape, shrouded in an eternal night. However, this is far from the truth. The dark side of the moon is not actually dark. It basks in the same amount of sunlight as the side we see from our humble blue planet. So why do we call it the dark side? The term dark in this context doesn't refer to the absence of light. Rather, it signifies mystery and the unknown. It's the side of the moon that we can't see from Earth due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. This simply means that the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate it orbits our planet, resulting in one side constantly facing us, while the other remains hidden. This hidden side of the moon has managed to keep its secrets from us for quite some time. It's an unseen world, bearing silent witness to the vast cosmos beyond our planet. It's an alien landscape that, until recently, we could only speculate about. But, as we venture further into the era of space exploration, the dark side of the moon is finally beginning to reveal its secrets. It's a fascinating place, filled with unique landscapes and untapped resources, a stark contrast to the familiar face of the moon we've grown accustomed to. So, it seems the dark side isn't so dark after all. It's a place of sunlight and shadows, of secrets and revelations, of the known and the unknown. It's a testament to our enduring curiosity and our desire to explore the mysteries of the universe. It's a reminder that sometimes to see the light, we must first venture into the darkness. Now that we've illuminated the dark side, let's explore its unique landscape. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has a dual personality of sorts. The near side, the face we've all grown familiar with, is speckled with a patchwork of dark and light areas, the result of billions of years of meteor impacts and volcanic activity. It's a terrain filled with craters, highlands and valleys, a testament to the moon's tumultuous past. But the far side, the dark side, presents an entirely different picture. Here, the landscape is dominated by vast plains known as maria, a Latin term meaning seas. However, these seas are not filled with water, but with basalt, a type of rock formed from cooling lava. The maria are the aftermath of ancient volcanic eruptions that once flowed across the moon's surface, filling in low-lying basins and creating a smoother, darker terrain that starkly contrasts with the rugged highlands of the near side. The reason for this difference in terrain is still a subject of debate among scientists. Some suggest that the moon's crust is thinner on the near side, allowing more volcanic activity to break through and create the maria. Others propose that gravitational forces from Earth have influenced the moon's geology, dictating where volcanic activity occurred. What is certain, however, is that these maria offer invaluable insights into the moon's past. The basalt rocks found in these areas are some of the oldest on the moon, their composition providing clues about the moon's formation and its early volcanic history. Each maria is like an open book, its pages filled with stories of fiery eruptions, flowing lava, and a time when the moon was a far more active world. The dark side of the moon is a world unlike any other. It's a place where the usual rules of lunar geography are turned on their head, where the familiar gives way to the unfamiliar, and where every rock and crater holds a new secret waiting to be discovered. It's a landscape that continues to captivate and intrigue, a testament to the moon's enduring ability to surprise and amaze. Beyond its unique landscape, the dark side holds the promise of untapped resources. Now let's delve into the moon's hidden treasure trove, shall we? The moon's far side is believed to be rich in a host of resources, but one stands out above the rest. This is helium-3, an isotope that is rare on Earth but abundant on the moon. It's been hailed as the potential fuel of the future. You see, helium-3 could play a pivotal role in nuclear fusion, a process that powers the sun and could potentially provide us with a near-limitless supply of clean energy. Just imagine, a world powered by the same forces that light up the sun, all thanks to a resource extracted from the moon's dark side. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's a very real possibility that scientists and researchers are exploring right now. In addition to helium-3, the lunar surface is also believed to harbor other valuable resources. Among these are rare earth elements, which are crucial for manufacturing a wide range of high-tech devices, from smartphones to electric cars and even wind turbines. And let's not forget about water. Recent missions have suggested that the moon's poles and certain permanently shadowed craters may contain ice. This discovery is significant not just for its potential to provide drinking water for future lunar inhabitants, but also because water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, which could be used for rocket fuel. Indeed, the dark side of the moon could serve as a veritable gas station in the sky, providing the fuel needed to propel humanity deeper into the cosmos. It's a tantalizing prospect that could transform space travel as we know it. But before we get too carried away, remember that extracting these resources is no easy task. It will require significant technological advancements and international cooperation. Yet the potential rewards are too great to be ignored. Imagine the possibilities if we could harness these resources. It could usher in a new era of space exploration and energy production, forever changing our relationship with the moon and the cosmos. In 2019, the Chang'e 4 mission unveiled a fascinating discovery. This mission, named after the Chinese moon goddess Chang'e, was a part of China's ambitious lunar exploration program. It marked a significant milestone in space exploration, being the first to land on the far side of the moon. The rover, fondly known as U-22, roamed the surface, its instruments probing the lunar terrain. And there, in a crater named von Karman, it stumbled upon something extraordinary. The rover's panoramic camera captured images of a peculiar substance, unlike anything we had encountered before. This material, described by the mission scientists as having a gel-like appearance, was found deep beneath the lunar surface. Its unusual color and luster set it apart from the typical lunar dust. The discovery sparked a wave of excitement and curiosity among the scientific community, prompting further analysis. The nature and composition of this mysterious substance continue to be a subject of research. Some scientists speculate that it could be a kind of melt glass, created from meteorites striking the lunar surface. The intense heat and pressure from such an impact could potentially melt and mix lunar dust and rocks, resulting in the observed material. Others suggest it might be a piece of lunar mantle, brought to the surface by a violent impact. If this is true, it would provide a rare glimpse into the moon's interior, offering invaluable insights into its geological history. However, these are just theories. The true nature of this substance remains elusive, adding another layer of mystery to the dark side of the moon. It's a reminder that despite our technological advancements and extensive research, there's still so much we don't understand about our closest celestial neighbor. This discovery proves that there are still many secrets waiting to be uncovered on the dark side of the moon. The Chang'e 4 mission, with its intriguing findings, has opened new doors for lunar exploration, fueling our curiosity and the quest for knowledge. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, who knows what other wonders we might uncover? Exploring the dark side of the moon is no easy task. This is the stark reality that space scientists and engineers have grappled with for years. The moon, silent and serene as it appears from our earthly vantage point, presents a host of challenges when it comes to exploration, particularly its elusive dark side. One of the key challenges lies in communication. The moon's rotation and orbit are synchronized, meaning the same side always faces us, leaving the other side perpetually out of direct line of sight. This makes establishing and maintaining a communication link with rovers or spacecraft on the far side of the moon a complex task. But as they say, necessity is the mother of invention. To overcome this hurdle, scientists have leveraged advancements in technology. In the late 20th century, we developed lunar satellites that act as a relay station, bouncing signals from the dark side of the moon back to Earth. These technological marvels have played a pivotal role in enabling us to unravel the mysteries hidden in the lunar shadows. Beyond communication, the harsh and unpredictable lunar environment poses another significant challenge. The moon's surface is covered in a layer of dust, known as lunar regolith, which can be abrasive and damaging to equipment. Moreover, the temperature swings on the moon are extreme, from blistering heat to freezing cold, making it a hostile place for technology. Yet it's these very challenges that drive technological innovation. For instance, the development of advanced materials and technologies to withstand the lunar conditions, or the creation of autonomous rovers capable of navigating the treacherous lunar terrain. Indeed, the quest to explore the dark side of the moon is fraught with difficulties. But it's through these trials that we find triumph, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. Despite the challenges, our quest for knowledge pushes us to explore further. As we continue to unveil the secrets of the dark side of the moon, we invite you to join us on this extraordinary journey of discovery. We've explored the reasons why the dark side isn't actually dark, but rather a side concealed from our view. We've traversed the unique landscape of vast plains, formed from ancient volcanic activity. We've delved into the untapped resources that it holds, like helium-3, the potential game-changer for clean energy production. We've discussed the enigmatic substance uncovered by the Chang'e 4 mission, a discovery that continues to baffle scientists. And finally, we've highlighted the challenges and advancements in technology that allow us to probe further into this intriguing celestial body. The dark side of the moon, a realm of mystery and potential, continues to beckon us. As we journey further, who knows what secrets we'll unearth next? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one.